What's up, Caffeiños? We are Cafe Con Leche Travels. I'm Travis.
I'm David.
And this week was an amazing week.
Was it?
Because we bought all the plants.
This was amazing for him.
If you know me, if you're just getting to know me, I love plants. I love all plants. And when we first got to Mexico from Los Angeles, I was like, oh, this is a jungle.
So great for his allergies.
That will be a different video. That is why I'm wearing sunglasses. The quickest and most inexpensive way I found to turn a house into a home is to add plants.
See that thumb?
What?
It's green.
The amazing thing about living in Mexico is there are so many different tropical, beautiful, inexpensive plants to be had. This week, we're taking you to 5 different viveros or nurseries around Mérida to check out all the different plants and bring a couple home.
Make sure you watch till the end of the video to see how many plants we brought home.
And I'll tell you how much it all cost. All right, let's go. Are you filming?
Yep.
Today's goal is to get plants for the living room and the kitchen. And also to see if the viveros deliver.
You can see me in your sunglasses.
David, cameraman. It's a good looking cameraman. You single?
You are ridiculous.
What are your favorite plants, David?
The ones that are green and the ones that are colorful.
So, David's gonna carry stuff today.
I know nothing about that.
The goal is to make it look like a courtyard, which is
Basically Jumanji.
truly a jungle. Jumanji? Is that how you say it? Jumanji.
Remember when the
saw it.
jungle? You never saw Jumanji?
Jumanji.
Jumanji. That's how I say it.
Okay, let's take our Ubers here. This is my happy place. Come on. I don't know what the protocol is, like if there's like supposed to be a heart situation. I feel like I'm doing this wrong. But okay, so I've never had much luck with ferns, but I feel like this is my moment. Alright, so this has a little pop of color, a little pink. Got 10 plants. 10 plants in like 10 minutes. The first vivero is delivering, and this one I decided to take home ourselves because they're so beautiful. Look. that I think I'm gonna put under the stairs, and then they're gonna like vine up. So I want to show you guys where we put all of the plants. But before we do, let's take a quick trip down memory lane and remember what this place looked like before we brought the jungle inside. So that's what we did.
You did.
That's what mostly I did. In the end, we brought home
22 plants.
and spent a grand total of about $110, which includes delivery.
But what about 4?
It's like $5 a plant. We are good at math. All of the information for the viveros that we visited, we're gonna put in the description below.
Thanks for watching this week's video. If you have any tips on gardening or taking care of plants in the Yucatan, please leave a comment and let us know below.
We come out with videos every Thursday, so make sure to like and subscribe and all the YouTube things. All right, here comes our tagline.
Hasta luego.
We'll see you next time.